Hey family, I have joined an open collab. It is called Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and it is hosted by the beautiful Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. So if you have any projects you're working on, whether it's, cleaning out the garage or, maybe scrubbing the floors or cleaning out the refrigerator, any little job you're doing, we're here to just encourage one to another to get these little jobs done. And it's nothing like seeing somebody actually do something that you know you need to be doing. Okay. So we're here to help one to another. So if you'd like to join this collab, all the information will be in the details. You can also do a little video, send it to at the Helpful Home, and let Dawn know that you've joined the collab. And we would love to watch your video. But family, let's get started with what I'm working on today with my tiny tidy here on Tuesday. Let's check it out.
Hey, hey, of course I didn't forget. I was just going to get me some of my greens, right? Because we know today is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, right, family? Tiny Tidy Tuesday is when we do small jobs. And because I'm in Sacramento, California, and it's 109 today, I know exactly the perfect job to do that's going to go with the weather. So let's check it out. All right. So this is the door everybody comes through after work. And look what happens. All the mess gets on the rug after a while. You see all these little marks? It's just filthy. It gets dirty. Well, since today it's going to be 109 degrees, my rugs will dry faster. So why not get these rugs cleaned today, family? So yes, we're going to do some carpet cleaning. Let's get it on. Now, family, every so often I'll have someone come in and do a deep clean for me. And I asked one of the gentlemen that was doing the carpet cleaning, I said, I just have a question for you. I said, what do you guys put in the machine that really gets these carpets clean? He goes, well, for me, he goes, I put in a little Woolite. So whenever I do my carpets, I always remember what that gentleman said. So I always put a little Woolite in my carpet cleaner, and it really does work. So make sure if you guys try Woolite, just do a little test on a part of the rug to make sure you don't have any problems. All right, let's get started. A lot better. A lot better. And you know, this rug is probably about 20 years old. Yes, yes, family. 20 years old. And still can come out clean. And you know, I have my detail guys come. But in the meantime, you know, we want to get the dirt out, you know, from our feet walking, you know, in and out the house, and just kind of keep it up, and it looks really nice. But I think we should go further. And I thought I'm going to hit up the big room. It's all dark in there because it's 100-something degrees and trying to keep it cool. Hey, cutie pie. Hey, little Tommy. I'm going to be doing the carpets. Okay, I know you're sleeping real good. Yeah, honey, but I got to do the carpets, sweetheart. Yeah, I'm getting ready to do them carpets. Plants in the back. I know that snail loves it, but they got to go. So I'm gonna work on a new cleaning, just a small little cleaning project today because it's gonna go perfect for the weather. However, my guy's here, and I know y'all looking at me side-eyed like, what's up, lady? You know, got these crazy green plants in here. They not looking good. Our house, you know, we want vibrant. It's not vibrant, so I'm gonna try to put a little twist on their tank. Nothing big, just a little something, something. Sorry, guys. It's me again. We got to get this tank clean, too. This is Tidy Tiny Tuesday. And we got work to do. All right, I told little Tommy I'm doing the carpet, and I got all this done back over here. Now I gotta come on his side, and as you see, he's still snoozing. Okay, let's see how he reacts when I turn this machine on. Let's see how little Tommy reacts when I turn this machine on. Not to blow my own horn, but when little Tommy was little, I used to always do the carpet, huh, little Tommy? You used to this. Yeah, you know. You say, Big Mama cleaning. I ain't moving off my spot. She ain't gonna hurt me. Yeah, cats get used to it. But if you don't clean often, they be running. They're like my little cat. She hasn't been here too long. Little Boo Boo. Little Boo Boo's hadn't been around that long. So when I turn on something, she go flying. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. Wow, just beautiful. The rug's still drying, but all the little black spots, they're not there anymore. Thank you, Most High God, for getting me the energy to get through this. We got all the carpet all the way down. I got all the way around here, under the table. It just looks amazing. It looks really good. I added the living room. I decided to do the living room, and I got that. All the problem areas that I'm concerned about. And look at how the throw rug dried. It looks amazing. Yes, I'm happy about it. And so is little Tommy. Little Tommy's happy. I'm finished because he went back to sleep. And I didn't forget the tank. Yeah, we got my guys a little bit more cleaner. Hey guys, how y'all doing? Yeah, they're loving it. It ain't time to eat. You look at them. They come like, where my food at? You guys ate. What time is it? Oh no, it's not time for you guys to eat. But look at how pretty the tank came out. I added a little blue back there for my guys. Give them some more decoration. Yeah, you guys are looking good. Well, all right, family. Man, I even broke out a little sweat. Look at that. Wow. But hey, you know what time it is. It's time to hit that like, smash that notification bell, and subscribe to your sister channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.